I'm still patching the sheetrock ceiling and all, and while I'm waiting for that to dry, let's just talk about this can light for a second. When you're installing these, do you remember how you're going to press up on that little goodie there? There's going to be 4 of these up in the ceiling, and those little nibs, and as you push it up in there, you're only going to be able to push it up so far. Then you're going to take a screwdriver right where that notch is and push up on it, and you might have to tap up on it too. Okay, well, what happens if it doesn't seem like it's holding all the way? Well, this side, they make these really cheap, and this is just, it's very thin gauge metal. It's like aluminum is what it is. And as you push up on that, if you push up too hard, you just push the groove up higher into the aluminum, and you kind of tear the back side, and it might start having a tendency to be loose. Because when I took this one back down, I put some wires on this can and then shoved it back up in the ceiling. I saw on the back side, my words, pushing right up through the groove, making the groove bigger on the aluminum. So I tapped it all back down, and when I put it back, everything seemed fine. But if for some reason it doesn't seem like you're getting this up nice and tight, you got to get that snug, because if you don't keep this snug, that's all that's holding this tight. If one side happens to be falling down, or a little bit, what can you do about that? Have you thought of a way to fix that if that happens to you? I'm going to give you an idea. Now here's what you can do. First off, you got to check and see what size thickness your sheetrock on the ceiling is. It's either 1/2 inch or it's going to be 5/8 of an inch. Okay, what you could do is measure up from the bottom of this. Let's say, in our case, this was a 1/2 inch ceiling. Okay, 1/2 inch thick sheetrock ceiling. And you can measure from the bottom up 1/2 inch or just a shy of 1/2 inch, and take a little scratch awl and hold it up there and tap it with the hammer and get just a little set point in that. And you can do that because this is just aluminum. Okay, you can tap that in there. Then you can put a sheetrock screw in there and just screw it right in, even though it's going into nothing, but that sheetrock screw is going to be right above the sheetrock ceiling, right? And if you did that, that would keep this in from coming down, because you got that sheetrock screw in there from allowing this to come down. Okay, so you can always kind of repair these if something happens now when you're installing it, or later on. Let's say it's loose and you want to fix that, you can pull the trim down and get up there and do that. Okay, there's a tip for you.